Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, and I thank each and every one of you who's subscribed so far. If you subscribed today, I thank you too. And today I just got the new iPhone 11 Pro. Here it is. In fact, my mum just got the iPhone 7 as well, so I already unboxed that and put it together for her, and now we're going to unbox the iPhone 11 Pro together. This is my new phone, and it is after I got the X 2 years ago, so the 10. And then obviously I've just got this on a new contract for 3 years, and it was £10 cheaper, so happy days. Anyway, let's get on with this. Before I start, I just want to let you know that in a couple of weeks I'll probably do what's on my iPhone 11 Pro and just go through it a little bit more. And obviously the camera is much better with the 3 lenses. Well, I say much better, we hope it's much better with the 3 lenses, but I'll unbox it anyway, and then obviously you can come back in a few weeks time and we can go through that. Anyway, let's go. Okay, so let's open it. It was a next day delivery. So I got it in space grey. That is what I get all my phones in, and I don't know why, I just love grey. So that's what I got it in, even though the midnight green really was tempting because that's the new colour. So this is it, and to match the colour of the phone, that grey, it's got the grey box. This is what it looks like front. Oh, side just says iPhone. And then the back, I got 64 gigs. Or phone, and then it's set again, it says iPhone, and then it's the front, and it's got this clear plastic over it, but you just literally pull the tab down and it comes undone. So there it is. So this is what it looks like. It's just obviously, actually this is like embellished on it, so it's like raised and bumped. So obviously it's got the 3 lenses for the camera, and then it's the space grey, and the actual iPhone is that the picture of the iPhone is like risen on the box. I'm gonna open it, and there is what it looks like. It's got a plastic cover all over it, but obviously the difference for this is the back is glass as well. Obviously it's got the 3 lenses. Normally iPhones are covered front and back with the plastic, whereas this isn't, and you can see where it's got the glass on top. It's going to be hard to see on camera, but the Apple you can see is embedded lower, as in like the black bit of the lenses, the black square where the lenses are is embedded, so you can see like there's the extra bit on top. You can see the movement of the Apple. I really don't think you might be able to see it. No, I don't think you can. And then, so yeah, this is a really nice colour actually. The colour is lighter than I thought it would be, but I love it nonetheless. I always go for the space grey, or like the grey option. Let me show you this one compared to it. So this is the difference. Obviously this is 2 years old, but it's got obviously where I've had the case on it. But you can see the difference in the greys. So that's just the difference. Yeah, and then I'll show you the front. So this is obviously the back and the front. So it's got the, I've just turned the ring light off for a minute. It's got the plastic on, but the plastic just comes off, and it's just a pure screen that looks really nice. And again, obviously that's glass. So now I'll show you what else comes in the box. So it comes with this package, which just has like the instructions, like the hello thing, Face ID, side buttons, which I'm used to. Obviously there's no home button, which I'm used to as well. Press twice to activate Apple Pay, which I don't like to put on my phone, but I should. Press and hold to turn on iPhone or activate Siri, tips and everything like that. This is the key that helps you get into the phone to put your SIM in, which apparently my SIM should work. And then there's just obviously the other stuff, the general stuff about the batteries in the iPhone, the Apple stickers, that's all that's in there. Then I have got this, which is the charger, which is better than a regular one. Apparently it can charge your phone 0 to full in 30 minutes, which I think is pretty cool and handy, because obviously iPhones are so rubbish at that. You can only get this in the Pro, you can't get this in just the 11, well, you have to buy it. I don't even know why I'm putting it back in there, but I am. And then it's the headphones. These aren't wireless, they are just the normal with the ones that clip into the bottom. And then you have got the charger, which is it's the newer one, which obviously plugs into this plug, which so it hasn't got the USB end to it. And that is everything in the box. And there we go, there is my iPhone 11 Pro. I can't wait to go and set this all up for my phone now. Obviously I'll take the SIM out of this one and swap it over. I've got a new case and lens and screen protector, which should have been here today, but I think it's coming tomorrow now instead, which obviously I need to put on. And then obviously I'll be back in a few weeks just to show you what's on my iPhone, because I like to watch them videos as well as like these ones, but I also like to get ideas from people, and then obviously I'm gonna join the crew of what's on my iPhone 11 Pro. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed. What phone have you got? Would you like this one, or would you like the Max, or even just the 11? I didn't go for the 11 purely because the 10 is actually the equivalent of the 11 near enough, and there wasn't much in the 11 to the 10, so because I'd already got the 10, I just thought I'd go for the Pro, and also because the camera's going to help me. There you go, and also give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching, bye!